Initiating Simulation 058. All roads lead to the stars. In the 1st century, the Roman Empire had a toy called the Aeolipile, a spinning brass sphere powered by steam. It was a novelty, but T-0, a Roman engineer, connects the dots. He attaches the spinning toy to a gear, and suddenly, human history skips 1,000 years. Rome skips the Dark Ages and plunges straight into the Industrial Revolution. By 150 AD, steam-powered locomotives are connecting Britannia to Egypt. No barbarian tribe can breach Rome's borders. Men with swords are slaughtered by primitive Gatling guns and ironclad dreadnoughts. The empire never falls. By the year 1000 AD, Rome is a sprawling, industrialized megacity. Gladiators fight in mechanized exosuits. With a 1,500-year head start on technology, the timeline breaks. By 1400 AD, Roman astronauts plant the Golden Eagle on the moon. By the modern day, there are no separate countries. The entire Earth is a single, unified civilization, a Type 1 Kardashev Empire. We wouldn't be arguing over borders or resources. We would be a galactic military force colonizing the Milky Way in the name of the Emperor. Simulation result. One gear changed the universe. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.